This is it. I don't have anything to show you guys. Just the real me. Because that's all that's left after you take all the distractions out. After you remove all the physical reality, all of the material things. Once you remove everything, there's only you left. Your authentic self, who you really are. The person that you don't really even know because you spend most of your time trying to be somebody else. Trying to be someone that people like, or someone who fits into society. When that might not even be your path. That might not even be what you're here to do. That's not your mission. Your mission is not to fit in. Your mission is not to stay the same and live life like others do until they're old, working a 9 to 5 their whole life, so they're tired. And after they're tired, they retire. Kind of funny how that works, but you end up doing nothing. You don't end up really chasing your dreams. You don't achieve what you're meant to achieve. I think we all have great ideas. I think we all have big dreams. I think we all think about something every single day. And that's it. That's all we do. We just think about it. I think that thinking has become the new norm, where people could just think, and we've been given all these tools to connect worldwide, but more than connect, we've been given these tools and we have the ability to send a message anywhere worldwide. But instead of doing that, we consume the message that they give us, the message that they want to promote. I don't want to go too deep into that because it's not the point of this video. The point of this video is actually a download. I believe that I've been given this download to share with others because it is something that we all need to hear. I believe that we all need to wake up, and that's exactly what the download was, a wake-up call. I believe that I want to put myself first because I don't want to point fingers or act like I have it all figured out. I don't. Life is crazy to say the least, but even through all this craziness, I think that we're a little too consumed by the craziness, and we don't realize that we need to add our own craziness to the crazy. You guys are gonna have to bear with me. This is my first time really picking up the camera and talking to it. I'm more of like the camera guy. I want to be behind the scenes and not really heard or not really seen. But I've realized that that's limiting myself to my full potential, to who I could really be and the person I can become. And I think that's the whole point of it all, is to be the greatest self you can be, to be the best version of yourself, to pursue everything you want to do and everything you want to be, and to not stop until it's done. I think that's really living. I think that's what living is all about. I think that we all need to wake up and realize that time is passing us by, and that we are only here for a short amount of time, like a glimpse in time. We get a little glimpse and it all goes by so fast. And I believe that we are too much into all of this outside world, physical, material reality, when we should be going inward and becoming the best version of ourselves. I think that's the most important part, is following your dreams, following your intuition. But in order to do that, you have to connect with yourself. You have to ask yourself who it is that you want to be and who do you want to become, and then go after that with all that you have, with all the energy, with no hesitation whatsoever, no fear. Because what is there to fear anyway? I mean, people are gonna die one day. Everyone's gonna die one day. And the people that you think you need to act good for, and the people that you think are gonna judge you, like, they don't even care. And you're just actually judging yourself by not taking action. And I believe that we are fearful of judgment just because we are fearful of who we can actually become. So we limit ourselves. I believe that there's so many ways to limit yourself, but the most way that people limit themselves is just by caring too much about what other people say or other people's opinion of you, when you shouldn't care at all. I mean, they don't do anything for you, and thinking that doesn't do anything for you, and being fearful of that doesn't do anything for you, because at the end of the day, nobody's perfect. Someone's always gonna judge you for something, and we are not supposed to be liked by everybody. But now we live in a world and in a society where you have to be perfect, and everyone wants to post the perfect moment. Everybody wants to make it seem like everything is great and life is amazing, but it's not. Life is challenges, life is struggles, life is up and down, life is movement. Life is always taking you through different paths so that you can learn the different things that you have to learn. I believe that that's what life is about. I believe that life is about falling in order for you to get up, in order for you to learn how to get up, in order for you to even start walking, you have to fall. How many times does a baby fall until they start walking? They keep trying because they know that they have to get to walking, because they see others walking, so they know that it's something that's possible. So they know that they have to keep trying, and they keep trying until they do learn how to walk. And I believe that after we learn how to walk and we become adults, now we don't keep trying to like up that, to go beyond that, to go a step further from that, and keep learning, and keep becoming better, and keep trying. And I think we lose that. I think we start caring about the world and what other people might think, and we get caught up in life, and time goes by so fast, and next thing you know, you're older, and you know, so many things have happened. But why stop? Why stop? I ask myself that question so much, is why stop? Why care so much about what other people think? Why let others people's opinion, you know, judge you, or like even have some type of value? Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. It's only you. It's only you. And until you realize that it's only you, you will never realize that how you treat others is how you treat yourself, and what you do to others is what you do to self, and what you think of others is what you think of yourself, and what bothers you from other people is what bothers you from yourself. And we have to realize that it's all self. So it's all about your perception. It's all about your perception, and it's all about your thinking. It's all about your mindset. It's all about you. How do you see the world? How do you interpret what happens? How do you take each experience that comes your way? Whether that be positive or negative, is still energy. It's still an experience. We are the choosers. We get to pick how we take things, and we get to choose how to react. And They have given us a blueprint on how to be, and don't come out of this box, and don't do this and don't do that. Everybody stay the same, everybody do the same thing, so that we can have control. And we have followed that religiously in religion itself, but we're not going to get into that either, because this is bigger than that. It is you. You can be the God, or you can be the devil, or however you want to perceive it, because at the end of the day, it is you. It's how you perceive it. It's how you think. It's what you believe in. I can't talk to you about what you believe in, because that's what you believe. We might believe in the same thing, but you're still gonna see it differently, because we are all different. And that's the point. And that's the point, is that we are all different. You can never be somebody else. So why not just be your most authentic self? Why not just be yourself? If we are all different and we're all meant to be original and authentic to ourselves, why not just do that? Why do we live in a society where everyone wants to be like everybody else?